lemur, kangaroo, snail, cow, parrot, sheep, flamingo, frog, faces, crow, a highly intelligent and adaptable bird, known for its glossy black plumage and distinctive cawing calls. What distinguishes crows from other animals is their remarkable problem-solving abilities and sophisticated use of tools. Crows have been observed using sticks, leaves, and even their own feathers to extract insects or other food sources from crevices. Their complex social structures and the ability to recognize and remember individual human faces set them apart as one of the few avian species that showcase cognitive skills on par with some primates, making them emblematic of avian intellect and resourcefulness.